this was all about the Robinson Crusoe. We have finished our lesson nicely. I want to talk about its conclusion of our lesson. That you see that how the major event in Robinson Crusoe's life changed his entire life. And what was that major event? It was shipwreck. In the beginning, it doesn't sounds well. It doesn't sound in his favor. But in many ways, that island was initially a prison for him, but later on that island became a paradise to him, as it was offering Crusoe everything he needs to survive and prosper, isn't it? You see that he learns self-reliance there. He uses his self-reliance to survive on that island. He told us how on the wrecked ship he just finds what he needs to survive, and how he builds his raft to bring it all ashore. And he describes that how he built his castle for both comfort and defense at the same time. And what he learns, we learn more from him. Actually, Robinson Crusoe himself learned, and we also learn from his story. Robinson Crusoe learns progress there. He didn't spend a static life. For his survival, he did hunting, he did farming, and he makes his own tools and furniture and plants, crops. And one more, rather most importantly, nature played important part. Don't you think so? That how it is nature that blows Crusoe's ship onto the shore near the island. And it is nature that provides all the plenty that Crusoe enjoys on the island, from the gods that nourishes him and accompany him, to the seeds that he grows and become the source of much of his food during his years on the island, isn't it? So this all story tells us that the survival is not difficult if you are full of mindfulness. If you are full of courage, then you can exist anywhere. And in the last of the lesson, here they mentioned that he saw the footprints of somebody. It is definitely, it might be possible that somebody has arrived there. And as I told you, that this is the small extract of the story of the novel. It is not the full story. So far we have learned courage, and we have learned self-reliance, and we have learned the way of survival from Robinson Crusoe's life. Right? Inshallah, with the exercises of this lesson, we will meet next day. Till then, goodbye.